Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the network adapters so you can change DNS where Windows actually looks up names. Right-click Start and pick Network Connections, then click Change Adapter Options. Now find the adapter that's active, Ethernet or Wi-Fi, and right-click it to open Properties. Once done, scroll to Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IP4 and double-click it so you can edit the DNS fields. This primes the exact form Windows will use to accept 1.1.1.1. Now you enter the Cloudflare addresses so lookups go to 1.1.1.1. Select Use the following DNS server addresses and type 1.1.1.1 for preferred and 1.0.0.1 for alternate. Make sure to clear any invalid characters and keep the IP4 box checked. This is why you edited TCP/IP4 specifically. Optionally tick Validate settings upon exit to let Windows run a quick check. If not, just click OK then close. After this, Windows finish by flushing the cache and verifying that Windows uses the new resolver. Open Command Prompt as administrator and run ipconfig/flushdins to remove old records. Then test with ping or enslookup to confirm responses come from 1.1.1.1. enslookup shows the server IP. If something fails, make sure to revert to automatic DNS to isolate the problem, check local firewall or security apps blocking DNS, and verify your router or ISP isn't forcing its own DNS. That's the most common troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.